You do not need a computer or laptop to create a clean YouTube channel that can be monetized later. You can do it right from your phone in less than 2 minutes. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so more people can find this tutorial and learn from it too. Now, let's get started. First, open your phone settings. Now, tap Apps. Scroll down until you find YouTube. Click on it. Next, tap Set as Default. If it's turned on, turn it off. This is one reason why some people have problems creating a visible YouTube channel on their phone. Now that it's turned off, open your browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you like. The next step you're going to follow is to type youtube.com and open it. Now follow me carefully because this part is very important. Tap the three dots here. Scroll down. You'll see desktop site. Just turn it on. Once you do that, YouTube will look like computer version. Now the next step is to tap on this YouTube here. Allow it to load. Next, click on your profile picture here. Let me zoom it. Click on settings. You may see create a channel or manage channel. Just click on any of them. Here it said create a channel. So click on create a channel. Next, you will see a box where you can enter your channel name, which is this one here. Let's zoom it a bit. My advice is to choose a simple, unique, and searchable name. A simple name is easy for people to remember. A searchable name makes it easier for people to find your channel when they search on YouTube. So guys, after entering your channel name, click create. That's it. Your YouTube channel is now ready. To customize your YouTube channel, click on your profile picture and allow it to load. After that, upload your profile photo. If you don't like anyone here, you can now go to your phone gallery. You can also add a channel banner to make your channel look more professional. If you want to upload your first video, simply click the create button and select upload video. So guys, choose your video, add a title and publish it. Congratulations guys, you have successfully created your YouTube channel using only your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.